Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain about the Scandinavian modern house using tutorial in Sketchup. We can use start from the rotated rectangle first, and we can place on this origin, then we can drag to the right around 9 meter. You can see about the dimension of the box. Okay, so then we can push it to the back around 10 meter. Okay, approximately just like this. I think it's too short, but we can move it to the back to make it longer than before. We can make it longer, around 5 meter enough. Okay, and after that we can just push it to the down around 300 meter approximately. So then we can make group anyway. Then we can make the carport space over there using the tape measure tool. Start from here to the here around 6 meter. So you can see about it. Then we can make the another element over there. We can using a tape measure to start from here until this position around 3.5 meter. I'm sorry, around 3.5 meter. Okay, and then we can give the space of this between. Okay, we can give the space around 1 meter point 5, or maybe it's smaller. We can move it 300 meter. Okay, so we can make the box right here. We can delete first. We can start using the tape measure tool, and then we can drag it to the front around 3.2 meter. Okay, I'm using millimeter units, so you can adjust your unit on your SketchUp. So we can make the another element. We can using the floor element with a rectangle over there. We can start drawing from this corner until this corner, and then we can push it up around 300 millimeter. So we can just make group anyway. Okay, so and after that we can make the another element. We can use rectangle over there. Start from the corner until this corner. Then we can push it up anyway. We can push it up around 3.5 meter approximately. Then you can just offset it inside to make a wall thickness over there. We can offset it inside around 150 millimeter. Then we have to push it down anyway, just something like this. Then we can make group anyway. Then we can make the another slab element over there. We can using the tape measure tool first. Start from here until this position, around. You can connect it. Okay, so then we can make the rectangle start from here till this position. Then we have to push it to the down around 300 meter approximately. It's just a basic dimension, so you can consult or discuss with the engineer which is related with the structural system of this slab structure or column structure in this building anyway. So we can continue to make the another element with the rectangle. We can make the wall on the first floor over there, the rectangle. Then we can select this line, and we can offset it inside also 150 millimeter. We can erase it, then we can just move the slab until this position. So then we can push it up this plane around 3.2 meter. Okay, so we can make it group, and we can make the another slab to make a flat roof over there. Then we have to push it to up around 150. Then we have to make it group and just move it down. Okay, so and after that we can make the another window element. Okay, we can make the large window with any size as we want anyway. It's just for basic concept. We can start in this position, or maybe we can using this position. Okay, then we have to push it to the back. Then we can we can make the another tape measure tool to make it equal with the another window on another side anyway. So then we can use this for limit for the top and bottom position. We can use a rectangle. We can place on this position, so then we can add more window over there. Just simple window, and it look more modern. Okay, so then we have to push it to the back. We have to push it to the back, and we have to push it to the back again. Then we can also delete some unnecessary line over there, or maybe we can draw the basic shape, the basic another building over there. Can set it inside around 150 millimeter, then we can erase it. So then we have to push it up around 3 meter only. Okay, I'm sorry, 3 meter only. Just make a group anyway. Then we can select the rectangle and place this position. Then we have to push it up. We can make group, and then we have to move it down anyway. Okay, so and after that we can okay, we can also make the another glass element over there. We can use a rectangle and start from here until this position. We have to push it to the front and just make it group. So then we can make a rectangle again. To the simple and fast way, we can drag through this corner. Then we can push it to the front and make group. And then we can select the glass material over there. We can use glass. Then we can assign with the material, transparent material over there. Okay, and after that we can make the another box element over there. We can using it. So then we can adjust the window size and erase some unnecessary plane over there. We can push it to the front. Maybe we can push it around 600 millimeter. Then we have to push it up anyway. We can okay, maybe it's I think it's enough without pushing up. So and after that we can click this line, and we have to move it to the back. Sorry, we can select this line and we can move it to the right side anyway, and maybe we can just push it to the right side again. Okay, just like this. Then we can select it line, and we can move it to this position. Okay. Just like this. Then we can make group. Then we can make another. Okay, we can push it to the left side again. Then we can select line, and then we can move and press Ctrl and press this position. Then we can push it to the left side anyway. Then we can make a rectangle over there to fulfill the window space of the. Sorry, we have to push it until the limit. Okay, so we can see about it. Then we have to adjust with the size of this every single window on the left side. Okay, so you can see about the. Okay, so we have to push it to the down. Then we have to okay, so we can adjust this we have to adjust the window anyway. Okay, just something like this. Then now we can make another. Okay, we can make the another element over there by using rectangle tools. And okay, maybe we can erase it, and we can develop it more representative. Anyway, we can use a rectangle. We can start from here, then we can select it all and scale it until the proper position. Okay, just something like this. Then we can offset it inside, then we can erase, then we have to push it to the front just like this. Okay, so then we can make the space of it. Then okay, so we can make the line from the corner to the corner anyway. So you can see what the okay, so you can see what the 3D effect of this facade. So then we can adjust with another element over there. We can scale it to the left side. Okay, so then we have to offset it inside with the dimension same of this position, around 103 meter. Okay, can erase it. So then we have, okay, we have to push it to the back. Then we can, okay, we can adjust the dimension of this window element anyway. We can erase some unnecessary line, then we have to push it to the front a little bit. Okay, so then we can make the another shape element with the sloping element of the facade element. Just something like this. So we can see for it. So we can make group, and then we can just select our desired color. We can select our desired color with this material maybe. Okay, so then we can make another wall element over there. We can push it to the front and just make it group, and then we can select the cladding. We can select this cladding, and then we can adjust the color. Okay, so then we can set the cladding also in here. Push it to the left, make group and place this position. Then we can okay, so then we can select the cladding skin. Okay, then we can select the cladding stucco material over there. Okay, we can place this material, and then we can place this material anyway. So in after that, we can add some landscape element over there. We can push it to the left side. We can select the line, and then we have to move. Okay, and then we can place another landscape element with the landscape tool. Okay, we can place this position, then we can select the landscape element. Okay, so you can see, then we can also adjust the color of this pavement by using RGB option and move it to the right side all over. Okay, so then we can use it, then we can set this color to be more monochromatic. Okay, I think it's more related with the color. Okay, then we can also add more. We can select this stucco cladding, then we can set the darkness of this material. So and after that, maybe we can move it to the front again to make it more attractive. Anyway, we can move it around 1500. Then we can select it and move this position to adjust it. Then we can adjust it again. Okay, we can only select this front side wall when we can move and type 1500. When you can select this place, move to the front 1500 meter, then you can select the slab of the roof, then adjust it also. Then we can set the another floor element anyway. Okay, we can make group, and also we can adjust the color, okay, with the dark material also anyway. So okay, and then we can add more material. We can using the component. Okay, we can scale it down. Then we can select a green glass material. Okay, and move it to the front again and duplicate it. So then we can select this line. Then we can select a move and press Ctrl. Then we can place on this position. Then we can type 3 slash. So it would be more representative of glazing material over there. Then we can make another shadow element on this position. Then we can also adjust the shadow. Can also adjust the shadow material. Okay, thanks for watching.